Actually, this tutorial is very funny, but you need it always. This is JSecure tutorial and solutions, and issue is something like that: warning, JInstaller, and SQL cannot add foreign constraint, and extension install, and this is the error, and cannot add foreign constraint. So how can you fix it? This is a big question. How can you install your JSecure from which is coming from Joomla 2.5 to Joomla 2.3? So just I have made a folder like this, I mean jQuery fix, and this is the folder. You just copy it and you just have to paste it on your specific folder. My folder is version, and then I will just go here and just copy it. Yes. First you copy it, so copy is done. Then you will go here, then extension, then discover, and you will try to discover anything missing. So if you see anything, you just click install here. I know what you give here you see system authentication. Then whenever you go components, and then you will try to JSecure. Here is the JSecure. You will find a missing error. So this missing error is I mean with this one I am showing you to 1 minute. This missing error is JSecure country block locks missing. And how can you fix it? You just go here, and as your prefix is different, this is the prefix, the database table prefix, you just change it with yours one. I mean from here my ones in MWMP, so I will just change it with my ones, and then I will just I mean try to reimport in, and after reimport you will get just go here, and then you just do the installation exactly you ask for, and you will see you will able to install the component, and this is working fine here. So this is how you can fix this error, and this is the way you can work with it. And another thing is, if you want to reinstall, I mean you don't want to I mean you don't want to get JSecure anymore with your website, then you just go version, then you just go administrator, then you just go components, and you just rename this one, like you just rename it 01. So I don't have to put it like this. So you just first rename it, then you have to go component section, then you just here rename JSecure. You will see it. Yes, this one comes JSecure, just like rename like 01 as mine. And then you just have to go plugin section, then system, then you just rename JSecure, this one. So then you will get your administrator section again. Okay, so this is how you can do any fix with JSecure. If you need this, I mean you have to install, have any problem with your installation, you just contact me. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.